Aja.
I'm correcting you, Kaka. Since January, and I'm resigning from Kukubo, so I'm no more.
Meka say Kane no.
Okay, I didn't get that one.
Okay, of course. Wait here. Akoma get there. Yeah, say people like yourself. Aja Koko Adaruma. Emma Yensu Ebedru baby. Da ene yahwe the situation our grounds. Cocoa farmers is since November up to now. Era almost so say yentwa wonka. O general overview of the current state of cocoa and whom ebe saying.
So better say o akwanya ade amami na me tie for so. Edi kan ya whom say abanisa. Esan say jumayini bia no de nda kwan ni say oye adwuma wi a na katua o say ne nsaka. Kuku akuafo ayi wo madwuma omo afem de fata se o so omo ye na omaye braso sisi tua wonka Nkwantabisa wo de wi Sompa TV for ne Sompa radio bosume so ambetua ka kuani ni de bosume so ayentua ne ka na emum so de kokoko no ko career eno si tua ne ka na so de ni kokoko beko na watwen abosume miensa ne etire ne yentua ne ka de let's say enjoy na enye sa na wo say ba na it's very unfortunate say ebapi me no the cocoa board for eye ne say omo treacherous many ne o masem na nkasa o so obukum no enya de omo kwasem ne no mahwe apɛ asem no tumasi bre enti ha vie pa we should not find ourselves.
Mr. Abo focus on mutuchi asem na nia wadaroma na ninchemu yesen.
Ninchemu ne say me say November na me say omuntu yakua foka.
Yeah.
And I assumed this omuntu asitia. Ekopim be December ni. Ana me say as dey me guso akoso. Cause I'm for the cocoa board no so why TikTok video. So dey trust me. Ninchemu ni so na pani bi na also sign check. Na pani ni tukwan na pani na fe no wa banti check ne sign ne man check. Enti wo be sign check no na conference akasika no. Afa da ho ache ho asem no emuye. Enti na chese nya no kra se na check sign ana obi otukwan. Enti na mi entu afia foka. What nonsense starting you back say the cocoa board akasama for name 24 oh yeah this car call you release sika you be release sika me give the much the dream and you know na make us one church assembly they are just scratching the back of the issue instead of dealing with the real issues that confront the industry and you know more prepare the keke omo hwe ndi asem no de wo potire ni say ansa na fibia no nka be se kokoo bo a ye de beto kokoo no e wo sen na unim sika dodo a woto kokoo na wo binya na enu de ayi nyina so e de akire kuani no de o se ne nsaka de e wo se ye de bo kokoo adwuma ne ho ka sanse LBC for moto no you reach your buyer's margin. Nkofo eyi adwuma wo kokoo adwuma nim no you betua won kai the better draw you betu kokoo na ba port you betua port charges any de keke ka ho nyina no e wo se wunhu e ho ka no na wo de ebo no e de aba nanso wo hwe se de sese kokoo bo na kwakoduru ene kokoo bo ne ho ka na kire se bra na obode kokoo bo na eba no ebia na misreka oma anwini hu yie enye sa na nkomo nye sa na mejidi so mo dwen hu yie they did all the assessment nanso ana mo tuo bia na hia pa ansa no matu sa ginari no they failed to do that and saying ansa na obeton kokoo no over the years you were the friend say forward sales
okay
Susuampa said now wo kokoo ne my dear nanso ani da kwan se o sa beka kokoo no wonen kokoo atofo no edi hu kita ho mudi sankita wona na ma sign contracts no wa kire ne so kokoo ne ba e be ma o sei na bu o sei ne de beje enti mudi sankomo no awie no assign ho contract de ato wo no o de bo ne ko ma priami no na kokoo ne ba na de kwa wo benya sa sika na de atuaka na ne no wo de bo na ko ma priami no kokoo contract no sign ne ye what na wa fe na akwakoto kokoo no afe ko dwa so a yesi kokoo bo na sa time na ne nam 10,000 no and they 4,000 it's afe unu ba hu say na dem ne make ani no kwa e bro 5,000 no it's because on 4,000 ya be boka it's been to be ton kokoo no enu ni asem no na mo me for we nto aso say that 4,000 aba no ube ka se o na se ne nye kokoo board o na sa aban fom so se ade ne so atiwu e ya aban fom so de ma me ka se ya aban fom so ne se ebra na kokoo bo ene nam 10,000 no na aban wo ho kwan se obeton kokoo no at that price at 10,000 so that we can say for sales no Aban had every opportunity to sell and take advantage of that high price. But Aban, Anton, what now, or say no, or not the ton sports. Sports, and then they say, Coco ni Gudema, and imagine himself at one Makwako Tumbi. Abra Coco, in the Abetcher say, anytime I obey Sano, marketing betting up predict, say, war stocks war and it's our stocks never no omo be na omo price na from so they can buy it cheaply into over the years no they will be a friend and say spreading risk it won't claim any word what on that so that the market can beat you to it and no matter what now emenne a bona top from team cry and that is why we are here.
Na Mr. Boafo episode last week me ne customer for no edi komo na ochemu a eka bia mugya gu ho baban mugya gu ho eno anami abedru baabi me hu write up enema wa present as evidence wo so che say there was nothing like that. There was no debt when it comes to syndicated loan ne de keka ho a
the Cocoa board for you may say I have been very reluctant say and say me be America and yes I'm person me defend me my buy and I'm a party then so and many be how can Cocoa board no the dwuma oye no ne fa kese na oni abrofo and di dwuma enti say bebre pia e he dwuma no so you need to be careful in what information you share. Now so Cocoa board for us a problem no mo akase create na mene won say no the omo ya ne say oh omo yem premu MPP so omo yem premu aban da ne so thought is all obeka kire o say ana no ye interview o ka kire o say syndication ye ntumi yentua
yeah
enti na mo wa kire mo
ono crowd o say ebokoji loan gu ono other the number of metric tons e was among the command fanko enti omuso nye ade ne in cash ombeji in cocoa enti deficit e ho kra anya asem ketwa.
I know some of the evidence they buy. So a contractor now omoka se wo no. They make you look say as a obi ko ton kokoo jisika ni die. And one fa kokoo anko. Enye no kre. So contract won sign ya ye mauska. The only time wo benya wo sika e time wo di kokoo no e di ko. Enti wunya di kokoo ni si shape so a 2 near the Hunkrata amount say Okoi in Frigana port, a aqua could brew onto a port, a honor now, no much release the amount. And yes, we signed contract. The money has not been even given to us. And they are going around, Sabio, can someone, just to malign other people. Abra we create problem can see it is a Cocoa bonam 10,000 you guni so ton or tema at the end about 4,000 about 4,000 I catch also. And say I bind that and yes, came to we the couple need them.
Me ma clarify way na me ma unko. Mr. Wafo. Okay, say Yahwe Yera Boafo ewa ahoma so anopai he told us or one appointment bia your one appointment bia na also rush at 7 nti na also ye mani ni din komo earlier ansana omu akwakotena bebia no mu kodo ti na anopai ye di ni mu early and that is cocoa board enkomo a ekoso last week Yane Jerome, who is the spokesperson, is that the name? Yes. For a cocoa board, Edin Komo. Anna and then the side of the story, and then so Yera Boafo, and so kind of side of the story. Now, for a picture, now clear for all of us, we are for now, Mubreno. Mr. Boafo.
Yes, sir.
What about our money to call? Now, the other person, me busan say system not as a son now when it comes to that time, you use syndicated loan, say aggregators now, a discabam now. What has the system been?
Yes, as the son. And the society last year. It's the entire son say, Mekaiser, my days at the board. Your corner syndication now bar. Nancy, what from the radio, your friend already said, what friend here. One of the questions that kept coming is, "Ain't there be a number of questions?" Mum me fa kwan foforo bi so. And sa kwan na ye fa so and say, instead of akwaje bosia obitua esi ho be $150 million as interest no. And kofo na utu koko na de kokomom no. Omu sika no mu bi dada. Ye ne omunye nhyehyɛ. Omu mfa sika no emfamra. Omo de muche from the banner, omo de ma buying agent na auto na ye de koko ne komama the akechiri no omo de sika na de aba. And that is the system we are working. But let me be quick to add, say Matis and Kofo complaining so enunti any problem no. Enya no correct. It's said last year it was the same system we used. MPP started, cocoa season started from September, October actually. Now I ended September. So MPP started operating that system in October 2024. In January, MPP 3, we didn't have a problem. The same system, and NDC4, about once the year, from January to September last year. But you also want to a problem here. And then we have phones and communication. It worked. In some culture, say a syndication. It's a problem. Also, because the syndication is a problem. And last year,
Kenya problem.
Yes.
I see.
So the system has changed, but the system is not a problem. The problem is that time I was here to kukuno. Yaton kukuno. Omanton, Omatina washe, and my price not drop it. And price not drop it, Sisu Koton Albe Boka, Jomun Minton. And that is why we are in this situation.
From where you sit, finally, from where you sit, Mr. Boafo, I want to say, will there be a solution sooner for Yenkoko pharmacy?
Oh, well, the solution can even be today. But there are two things that can be done.
Okay.
One, any government, a better cocoa a 4 board so. And now two, government, a better massacre, na cocoa board. Sa a can or more because one don't cocoa at the right price. What we are so. If government takes that decision, then we are safe. But government and take this decision, this will continue to linger on for a very long time, unfortunately. But let me say, I don't subscribe to any suggestion. Say, you have 4 boards so.
Okay.
Because creating on your Bolivia.
Yeah.
Nipana, if you have man said, Corner for cocoa. ye wo expert a ye train no mo cocoa board a omadwuma so mo predicted markets no they are there. If you fail to make use of them na internal struggles intimo criticize a problem the to wa kweni na onye bone no ade no so no tia of anka. I don't subscribe to it, and government must find a way of addressing the issue.
All right, Mr. Abafo no pay ma ye na sepa ne brenu so aguafo so das.
So be das so akwenye.
All right. Era Fifi Buafo ana tenin kano na kanino on head of corporate affairs Emma Cocoa Board. Da Yakoba will show you yeah enkrata bia. Era Fifi Buafo de beto e chese in 2024 a car there was omutua bia no omuyi free ho. And it's neither here nor there. But I'm a bit confused because so the current and Koma, the CEO Ade any Cocoa Board Adia making wa to the bia na I say 7 predators said cocoa farmers in Adia grow. Let me be honest with you. Let me be very honest with you. And I will tell you why. And not tie the CEO of Cocoa Board, here around the Abbey, who is a football administrator and a journalist and a doctor in books. And some or can yen in yama or yeah. Now me show football nyoma omuya. I can confidently say, sir, yera randiabe or a transfer of knowledge from the football administration. What's a football for the cabet? Omu na ye bakuye de luplay aviator. I don't be no apply. And I'll tell you why. The reason why I make us say or the cocoa board the cabet. Randiabe transfer of knowledge in Mbuano. And I'll walk with some baby. Also on Thursday, some coca and Ghana for be cancer. Or the Akunyako create jubum a create fumo. Now, why, yes, sir? But our corporate affairs now, a gentleman no free session, no, but I say, yes, I now we are quite from Crana. You travel the Abba in the tour near Noa, Satan Coco. You know, Coco, Sukoko Ibi. And we had to go Abba and say, I have to form the idea. I said, check your cry if you are going to be new. Now I can just say, stuff in China, what can I say is silly. And then you show you the reason why Randy Abbey is killing the cocoa farm. I was say cocoa farms they say bebre na one hwe ye sura misuru say de bema ayifo galafo beba will tell you and prove to you why I be say papa or apply football method no twi aviator enti so what na won ma na say forward sales no obey no what sign contract no catch him say about 53,000 metric tons de waton ni nyina 58 no waton 53 50 da ka na egu oyede why bin say the kwa kogu atwen price enti utua nkofo no say 5,000 price ne beba then say when you extra money you go for you so much you Radiabe always so much you o medical 53 but 50 ni de yamfa nche baby enti yakoba na price ne kosura so obianum say etua 5,300 5,300 5,100 5,100 enti yabanye nya price so 50 metric tons ne de say yababa na shoot kosuro world price market ne kosuro omo mba beto no ebe me skaburu enti so omo mayen per ton bia omo mayen $1,000 ebe ko $12,000 and $12,000 no ye nyina nim say cocoa board ton $1,000 let's say 2,000 e was so then you music o it home the 5,000 e ken now we nya aviator under 2.5 Arabans under 2.0 over 2.5 over 2.5 analysis now Randia Abbey and God save us all. I don't pay me bam ye be di so am interchange won komo na me ra one no pay say o ka chem say tier 4 ba tier 3 on downgrade no na mathematics be na ye ne sa no from tier 4 to tier 3 on downgrade no honorable buzu governance Ade Mame nko na Mbapa ni Orlando ma ready omo nsom yen yakoba yebedi nkomo we have a lot to talk about. Your friend Nana Kwame Nkwantabisa Nana Nkwantabisa ni meba sisi